Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice, sleek, low bun using the new Tressfully Yours Detangle brush. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. So I'll be starting out on old hair. My hair has been in a puff ball for about a week now. And I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb so I can section my hair while I detangle it. And that's just going to make the process a lot easier. I'm going in with my spray bottle. It just has water in it. And I'm just spraying that first section, trying to get the water all throughout my hair. And then I'm just going to, rake it through my hair kind of. And now I'm just going in with the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Conditioner. I'm going to put a large amount on my hands. I don't do the dime size thing just because I have thick hair, but I'm just working that product all throughout my hair. And now I'm going in with the Tressfully Yours Detangle brush. This company sent me this brush and it's actually been a lifesaver because, I have 4C hair, 4B hair, and so it's really thick. It's not easy for me to get through my hair when detangling, so this definitely did make the process a lot easier for me. And as you can see, the brush is literally just going right through my hair. And so I'm doing that with each section on this side, so back to front. I'll just be using the Hair Magic Aloe Gel to slick my hair down. And now I'm just going to put that into a low ponytail, and then I'm just going to do everything that I just did on this side on the other side. So I just applied the products, and now I'm just going through with the Tressfully Yours Detangle brush. So now I take one big ponytail holder and put both of those ponytails into one ponytail. And then kind of wrap the hair underneath to make the bun look. And then I just slick my little edges down using my edge toothbrush. And let that dry. And this is the finished product. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you guys next time.